Okay, Guitar Bobby here with some riffs and licks. However you do it, whether you picking or strumming. This is one of my favorites. Here's what my left hand's doing, playing that A minor 7 to a D7 to an F chord. Actually, I'm just playing the F major 7 chord because I just wanna walk that bass line down to the C chord, and then right back up on that D string to the G note, and then it repeats. 3 times. That's the intro. Saturday in the Park. And then a D major 7. I'm selling ice cream. That's what my left hand's doing. Yeah, singing Italian song. Play the C. Singing Italian song from C to G to D. Can you dig it? Yes, I can. I've been waiting such a long time for Saturday. And then right back to that riff. Singing for a soul. Will you help him change the world? Can you dig it? Yeah, yes I can. I've been waiting such a long time for today. B flat, slow motion, riders to see, fly the colors of the day. Best way to do that is just to bar at the 3rd and then get that B flat. That's the easiest way for me. With your pinky, right to C. And then a bronze man still can. I'm playing the D flat there. A bronze man up to E flat still can tell 7 chord to G. Oh no! And then guess what? Right back to that riff. Funny days in the park. Every day's the 4th of July. Funny days in the park. Every day's the 4th of July. People reaching, people touching. A real celebration. Just play around with that E major 7 chord. Little hammers. Waiting for a song. If we want it, really want it, can you dig it? Yes, I can. And that's it. Let me know if this helps. It's always been one of my most favorite fun songs. It's once you learn it, it's surprisingly easier than you might have thought. But again, it's all about, playing. Forget Netflix and start playing with those muscles in your fingers. You'll be glad you did. And let's have peace in the world. I agree with Lennon. I agree with all the people that John Lennon, that is, said, hey, let's give peace a chance. War is not the answer, because only love can conquer hate. And that's my 2 cents, because I am for peace and not war. Yes. Bless you all.